Welcome! This is a video about innocent murmurs. Over the next couple of minutes, we'll talk about what an innocent murmur is, what causes a murmur, and the management of a child with an innocent murmur. Let's first start by reviewing normal heart sounds. Normally, when you listen to someone's heart with a stethoscope, you hear a lub-dub of the first and second heart sounds. This is the sound of the heart valves as they close. You don't usually hear the blood flow through the heart. A murmur is an extra heart sound you hear as you listen to the heart with a stethoscope. Sometimes this is caused by turbulence in the blood flow, such as through a narrowed or leaky valve or a hole in the heart. But in children, most of the time this is caused by normal blood flow in the heart. Most children, 50 to 80% of children, will have a murmur sometime in their life. Very few, less than 1%, will have heart disease. When a murmur is caused by normal blood flow in the heart, we call that an innocent murmur. Because normal heart sounds are easier to hear in children, they are more likely to have innocent murmurs compared to adults. Normal murmurs can also be accentuated when there is increased blood flow through the heart, such as fever or anemia or pregnancy, and the murmur may be more obvious at this time. Innocent murmurs tend to be soft, vibratory, or musical in quality and tend to come and go. So in most cases, if the child is otherwise healthy and well, they do not need any further investigations, but regular follow-up with their family doctor or pediatrician. Because children with innocent murmurs have normal hearts, they don't need any restrictions on their physical activities, and they don't need any special precautions like antibiotics when they go to the dentist. Hearing that a child has a murmur can be frightening. It is important to remember that most murmurs are innocent murmurs, which is a sound of normal blood flow in the heart. Most children do not need further investigations or any activity restrictions. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.